Number 10 on our list is the Duck 126-5015 winking tape. This single roll, in a vibrant white, is a must-have for your next quick fix. Not only does it stand out, but it's also perfect for repairs, crafting, and imaginative projects. One of the best features of this tape is that it tears easily by hand without curling, making it incredibly user-friendly. It conforms to uneven surfaces effortlessly and provides excellent adhesion to a wide variety of materials. Whether you're working with cloth, vinyl, leather, plastic, metal, or laminates, this duct tape will stick reliably. Measuring 1.88 inches wide and stretching 20 yards long, this single roll of duct tape is versatile and ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Make your repairs and projects not just functional, but fun and eye-catching with the Duck 126-5015 winking tape. Coming in at number 9, we have the Astrobrights /Neenah Bright White Cardstock. This premium cardstock measures 8.5 by 11 inches and boasts a weight of 65 pounds, or 176 grams per square meter, providing a sturdy and durable medium for all your printing needs. The smooth finish of this cardstock ensures superior printing results every time. It's guaranteed to work seamlessly with inkjet and laser printers, copiers, and offset printing. This versatility makes it perfect for a variety of projects, from professional presentations to creative crafts. Additionally, this cardstock is both acid and lignin-free, ensuring that your prints remain vibrant and high quality without deteriorating over time. Each pack includes 75 sheets, giving you plenty of material to bring your ideas to life. Experience reliable and professional results with the Astrobrights /Neenah Bright White Cardstock. Number 8 on our list is the iBuy'em 8-inch all-purpose scissors bulk 3-pack. These ultra-sharp shears feature 2.5 mm thick blades, making them perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you need to cut burlap, paper, cardboard, light line, fabric, tape, or photos, these scissors are up to the challenge. Ideal for sewing, tailoring, quilting, dressmaking, cutting patterns, alterations, and handcrafts, these scissors provide precise cuts with great control. The set includes 3 pairs of straight-handled scissors, each designed for smooth cutting with just the right amount of friction on the blades. Crafted from premium quality stainless steel, these blades are made from high-density steel, making them 3 times harder than normal stainless steel for smoother cutting. The comfort grip holes ensure a comfortable experience, suitable for both right and left-handed users. Each pair measures 8 inches, making them versatile enough for most cutting needs, including household tasks like cutting open frozen food bags. Enhance your office desk accessories, sewing kit, or home craft supplies with the iBuy'em all-purpose scissors. Number 7 on our list is Kukka Tea Tree Oil, a versatile essential oil perfect for skin, hair, and nail care. This 100% pure natural tea tree oil is therapeutic grade and sourced from the pristine forests of Australia. For hair, Kukka Tea Tree Oil nourishes and rejuvenates, promoting healthy vitality. Enriched with essential nutrients, it stimulates the scalp, leading to stronger, fuller locks. Say goodbye to dryness as it restores moisture, leaving your hair soft and manageable. When it comes to skincare, this tea tree oil transforms your skin, purifying and calming blemishes for a smoother, clearer complexion. Packed with antioxidants, it soothes irritation and restores balance, while nourishing and hydrating for revitalized, radiant skin. Your nails will also benefit from Kukka Tea Tree Oil, as it fortifies nail beds for stronger, healthier nails. It hydrates and strengthens cuticles, preventing breakage and allowing you to flaunt beautiful, resilient nails with confidence. The soothing, herbaceous aroma of this tea tree oil harmonizes perfectly with other essential oils like bergamot and clary sage, making it ideal for soap making and DIY projects. Elevate your shower routines with this fresh, invigorating scent. Kukka Tea Tree Oil is a pure and potent formula, free from harmful additives and rigorously tested for quality and efficacy. Experience the transformative power of nature with Kukka Tea Tree Oil for a revitalized sense of well-being. Number 6 on our list is the Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches. Designed for use with thermal laminators, these pouches measure 8.9 by 11.4 inches, perfectly fitting letter-sized sheets. Each pack includes 100 pouches, providing plenty of protection for your important documents. These thermal pouches are ideal for preserving children's artwork, signs, flyers, schedules, certificates, and other frequently used documents in the home, office, or classroom. The ultra-clear finish ensures that important information remains visible, delivering a professional and photo-safe finish. These laminating pouches offer excellent protection, making documents marker-proof, tear-proof, and spill-proof. They are also safe for use with most household cleaners, adding to their versatility and convenience. While they add a layer of professionalism to business documents, it's important to note that some items should not be laminated. This includes currency, social security cards, stamps, credit cards, or cards with a magnetic strip, as lamination can interfere with important authentication features. For best results, use these pouches with Scotch thermal laminators. Protect and enhance your documents with the reliable quality of Scotch thermal laminating pouches. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5, we have Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. These innovative glue sticks go on purple and dry clear, allowing you to see exactly where you're gluing for precise application. The smooth formula ensures easy application, making it perfect for arts, crafts, and school projects. Each pack includes 3 22-gram glue sticks, providing plenty of adhesive for your creative needs. Elmer's glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, ensuring safety and convenience for all users. They bond effectively to paper, cardboard, foam board, display board, and more, making them a versatile addition to your crafting supplies. Enhance your projects with the reliable and user-friendly Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. Number 4 on our list is the Amazon Basics Clear Thermal Laminating Plastic Paper Laminator Sheets. These sheets measure 9 by 11.5 inches and come in a convenient pack of 200, providing ample supply for all your laminating needs. With a thickness of 3 mm, these laminating sheets offer reliable strength and clear transparency, ensuring your documents are well protected while maintaining their clarity. They are compatible with all leading thermal laminators, making them versatile and easy to use. Perfect for sealing and protecting a variety of items, including documents, photos, recipes, and more. To use, simply place your document into the sheet and insert it into the laminator. You can also cut the sheets to fit custom sizes, adding flexibility to your laminating projects. Enhance the longevity and durability of your important items with the Amazon Basics Clear Thermal Laminating Plastic Paper Laminator Sheets. Number 3 on our list is the Rust-Oleum 334020 Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint. This 12-ounce can of flat black paint is a favorite for its fast-drying formula and excellent coverage. Designed for a variety of surfaces, it provides a smooth, durable finish that enhances the look of any project. The popular flat black color is versatile and perfect for a wide range of applications, from furniture and decor to DIY crafts and touch-ups. With Rust-Oleum's 2X Ultra Cover technology, you get double the coverage with each spray, making your painting projects quicker and more efficient. Achieve a professional look with minimal effort using the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in flat black. Number 2 on our list is Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. This pack includes 12 6-gram glue sticks, providing plenty of adhesive for all your projects. The glue goes on purple and dries clear, making it easy to see where you're applying it for precise, mess-free gluing. It applies smoothly and is perfect for arts, crafts, and school projects. These glue sticks are acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic, and washable, ensuring they are safe and convenient for everyone to use. They bond effectively to paper, cardboard, foam board, display board, and more, making them versatile and reliable. Enhance your crafting and school projects with the easy-to-use Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. And finally, number 1 on our list is Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. This pack includes 37-gram glue sticks, perfect for any classroom or home crafting needs. The Disappearing Purple formula helps kids see where the glue is being applied, ensuring precise placement every time. It dries clear and applies smoothly, leaving a mess-free finish. As the #1 teacher brand, Elmer's glue sticks are ideal for younger learners. They're perfect for poster presentations, crafting, and a variety of creative projects. The washable, non-toxic, and acid-free formula makes them safe for use in any environment. Trusted by educators and loved by students, Elmer's disappearing purple school glue sticks are the ultimate choice for all your adhesive needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.